Rogue waves, the ocean's hidden monsters. For centuries, sailors whispered about towering walls of water, giant waves rising higher than buildings, striking without warning, then vanishing as if they never existed. Many dismissed these tales as drunken exaggerations or nautical legends. Scientists relying on traditional wave theories claimed such giants were impossible, but the ocean proved them wrong. Rogue waves are real, and they are deadly. These monsters rise suddenly, striking with the power to tear apart steel ships like paper. They don't give a warning, and they don't leave survivors unless luck intervenes. What was once dismissed as myth is now recognized as one of the ocean and its most terrifying truths. From legend to reality. In 1919, explorer Ernest Shackleton reported a terrifying encounter in the South Atlantic. He saw what looked like a white line on the horizon. He thought it was a break in the clouds. But it was no cloud. It was a wall of water. His boat was lifted and tossed like a cork in a storm. Shackleton survived, but his story was brushed aside as fantasy. Why? Because according to 19th and 20th century wave theories, ocean waves could not surpass 30 feet, 9 meters. Reports of 60-foot, 90-foot, even 100-foot waves were dismissed as sailor's lore. Ships swallowed by the sea. Then steel cargo ships started to vanish. Between 1969 and 1994, at least 22 massive vessels were lost under mysterious conditions. One case shocked the world. In 1978, the German supercarrier MS München, one of the strongest ships of its era, sent a distress signal in the middle of the Atlantic. It then disappeared completely. Months later, its lifeboats were found, ripped from their place 20 meters above sea level. The steel was bent backwards, as if crushed by unimaginable force. Investigators concluded only one thing could have done it: a rogue wave with the power of over 100 tons per square meter. The day science couldn't deny it. On January 1st, 1995, everything changed. The Draupner oil platform in the North Sea recorded a wave measuring 25.6 meters, 84 feet high, twice the size of surrounding waves. For the first time, an instrument, not just human eyes, proved rogue waves existed. The Draupner Wave became the smoking gun, rewriting oceanography overnight. Plastic trails and strange aftermaths. In 1997, the cargo ship Tokyo Express was hit by a rogue wave off the coast of England. It lost 62 containers to the sea, including nearly 5 million Lego pieces. To this day, those toys still wash up on British beaches, a bizarre reminder of how one freak wave can alter coastlines. The science behind the beasts. How do rogue waves form? Scientists are still piecing the puzzle together. Wave interference. When different wave systems collide, their energy stacks, creating a giant. Strong currents, places like South Africa's Agulhas. Current can amplify waves to monstrous sizes. Chaotic energy transfer. Random energy shifts between waves can suddenly create a single towering wall of water. Hotspots. The North Sea, home of the Draupner Wave. The South Atlantic, where the München was lost. South Africa's coasts. Agulhas Current, a known rogue wave generator. Modern encounters. In 2020, sensors off the coast of Canada recorded a 17.6 meter, 58-foot rogue wave. What made it extraordinary wasn't just its size, it was 3 times larger than the waves around it. Statistically, it was a once-in-a-thousand-years event. Conclusion. Today, no one doubts their existence. Rogue waves are no longer myths, they are nature's ambush predators. With pressures strong enough to snap steel, they remind us that even in the modern age, the ocean holds secrets powerful enough to humble humanity.